Castle has just got it. They gave it a poet, and then the man.
Seacrest, this is Steve from Regatta. Mark, that was an excellent choice to just switch those courses around. Well done, mate. Out.
Right, we're coming up to the shoulder point now. We have the team-worthy boat, coxed by Caroline. The team-worthy boat, we have coxed by Bruce, Alan Miller, Jamie Palmer. Coming up on the home straight now, driven on by Caroline. She's been driving those chaps as hard as they can for the last 40 minutes. Long way from Bundle Head into the mouth of the river and then round the harbour